Yes, good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir. Sir, I have doubts in the question paper.
Yes, give just a minute, 1 second. Yes, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, can you able to see the screen here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, I would like to know one by one. Steve, tell me what is the problem with you and what is the reason behind getting less marks?
Yes, sir. I didn't understand the cards question. Like there were so many cards question. I didn't understand those questions.
No problem, we'll solve it. First exam, right? It happens. No problem. Apart from that,
Apart from that, I had no problem. I got others all correct.
good. What about Anandip?
Sir, I knew all the answers, sir, but I thought probability is a very easy chapter. So without learning, without revision, I started doing the problems. And at the last, I didn't check my paper twice. So I think that's what the thing. Because if I check and if I have revision, I'll get good marks, obviously. But at the end, sir, after I got all the questions wrong, I took all the wrong questions and I solved them separately.
Very good, very good. That's a great job you have done. See, without, let me, a small suggestion here. Without revision, you can't go for exam. So we will be having, we'll be having sometimes, confidence, but what will happen is at the end of, well, after going exam, what will happen is straight away by looking at the questions, sometimes you will get demotivated ourselves. If you won't get one question itself, we'll get demotivated ourselves. So it shouldn't happen. So please, whenever you're going for exam, whenever you're going to attend an exam, please have a revision. Have a revision. Then
Yes, sir, I'll do, sir, from now.
very good. Chalo, look at this now. And what about Tushar? What was the reason, Tushar? Tushar, are you here?
Yes, I am here.
What is the reason? Why did you get less marks?
Yes, I didn't practice about the probability.
Why?
I was having exams after that. You told to do the worksheet, right, of arithmetic progression. I kept doing that. I just forgot about the probability exam.
See, no, actually, every Sunday you'll be having exams, so you have to practice. Please
Yes,
mind it.
sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
chalo,
That was the mistake from my side.
no problem. Don't repeat that same
Yes.
again. Chalo. So,
Yes.
if an event, so and then you understood the questions, right?
Yes, I understood the questions.
Look at it. If an event occur, if an event cannot occur, then what is the probability? Then its
Zero.
probability is what? Zero.
Zero.
जीरो प्रोबेबिलिटीज नहीं बनती है तो इवेंट ही नहीं बनता है तो प्रोबेबिलिटी कहां से आता है जीरो था isn't it very good देखो if p of a denotes the probability of an event then probability look at this ये हमेशा very good question probability of an event हमेशा किसको जीरो एंड बी एक के बीच में नहीं होता है probability of any event always lies between 0 and 1 ये तो हमेशा very good question तो इसको हम थोड़ा क्या करते हैं इसको हाईलाइट करते हैं ये देखो आपको आना चाहिए मैंने आपको like you have done from your school side right I thought you will make it out but how many I'm not sure how many have made it देखो ये बहुत very good question ये तो हमेशा ये होता है probability of any event you take always it lies between 0 and 1 probability of any event always lies between 0 and 1 very good question next so option C is correct so देखो if a card is selected from a deck of 52 cards then the probability of being red face card first you should know about how many red face cards will be there
Sir,
yes
sir, in red, in spade, so there will be two face cards in red, two face cards in black.
yes there will be two face cards in red yeah there will be two face cards in black yes tell me
No, not face cards. Sorry, sir. Two. They are sorry. There are 6 face cards in red and 6 face cards in black.
there will be two there will be two pair yeah
Two pairs.
okay two, that's what I meant two pairs aren't you saying pair yeah tell me
Yeah, that's it, sir. So 6 in red and 6 in black. So 6 by 52.
6 by 50 so देखो 6 in blacks what is asking red you must know how many cards will be there you know Steve the only thing you need to do 52 cards will be there right
Yes, I only know about the 52 cards. I never played this game, so I don't know.
okay look at this so yeah that is a major problem देखो एक क्या होता है there will be 52 cards right 52 cards means in that 52 cards the probability of being red face there will be three pair there will be three pair look at six cards so six cards होता है ठीक है so six red face card and 6 black face card ठीक है तो probability total कितना 52 out of how much 6 so 2 3s are 226 so 3 by 26 option A is correct all right
Yes.
very simple so 6 so he is asking for red so 6 by out of how much 52 so 2 3s are 226 are the right answer option A is correct okay 1 minute just a minute let me just change my phones is it clear now is it clear with everyone
Yes.
children can you hear my voice
Yes, sir. We can hear.
Can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Children, I think. Hello, can you hear my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, we can.
Just a minute. I think from my side there was some issue. Now can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1 second. Just a minute.
Sir,
Just a minute.
okay, sir.
Just a minute. I think from my side mic issue is there. Meeting has been winded up. Can you hear me now?
Yes, sir.
How?
Yes, sir.
It's fine, sir.
We can
It's
hear
fine.
you.
1 second.
The voice is audible.
Yes. Got it. Chalo. 1 second. Let me share the screen. We are here. So 3/26 is the right answer. Chalo. Am I recording, guys? Look, check it out once.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So next question.
Sir,
Next question. Yes, tell me.
sir, that mechanism for the playing cards, I have one.
Yes, tell me.
Sorry, sir, my mic was on unmute. Mute. Sir, I thought the mechanism for playing cards, I have an easy table. So I thought it will be helpful. So I shared it on a WhatsApp, sir.
Yes, you shared it.
Yes, sir.
Acha. Okay. Yeah. Very good, actually. Very good reminder. Even I wanted to discuss, but I don't remember. You just made me to remind it. Thank you, Rajib. Look at here. First, playing cards, guys. Steve, you do not know this one, right? Basically, how many cards, how many red cards will be there, how many black cards will be there. Let me tell you. So basically, look at this. There will be total 52 cards. There will be total 52 cards. Among all these 52 cards, there will be total, like, only you'll be having black and red cards. How many black will be there? 26 black will be there and 26 red will be there. ये तो सबको पता है, कॉमन सेंस. ठीक है, ये 26 में फिर से क्यूब्स होता है, लाइक क्लब्स होता है, हार्ट होता है, स्पेड होता है. देखो क्लब्स, क्लब का मतलब देखो क्लब्स एंड स्पेड. फिर से इसमें डायमंड होगा, रेड में तो डायमंड होगा एंड फिर से हार्ट होगा. ओके, clubs and spade here, diamond, heart. So how many? This will be, club will be 13, spade will be 13, diamond will be 13, heart will be 13. As much.
Yes, sir.
Look at this. हाँ, ये क्लब, क्लब का मतलब देखो, क्लब में समझते हो ना, क्लब ये होता है जरा फूल का तरह होता है, फूल का तरह. This will be like, something, it will be like this. I'm not good at diagrams. This is how it will be. Spade का मतलब ऐसा होता है. क्या कैसा ऐसा होता है, ऐसा कुछ भी. डायमंड देखो, डायमंड तो सबको पता है, हार्ट का मतलब ये है ऐसा. Okay, so this is how it will be, right? So now look at this here. In 13 cards, in clubs 13 I showed, right? Clubs 13. इसमें क्या होगा, फिर से देखो, Again, you will be having three types of cards, like K, Q, and J. Okay, and here also you will pick K, Q, and J, and here also you will be having three type of cards, K and J. Okay. Now look at this here, and in this, look at this here, K, Q, K, J. This is what called as counting. These are counting numbers. Okay, counting numbers. This will be also same thing. Similarly, here be same. Okay, so this is what, how many clubs will be there? 13. Spade will be 13. Club and 13 will be what? It will be black. Red में diamond and heart होता है. In red, diamond and heart will be there. 13 diamond, 13 heart. Spade will be 13 and clubs will be 13. So yes, this is what in 13 amount, like K, J, K. You will do. So you'll be having again A to 10 numbers. A, 1, 2, this till 10. This 10, and please look at here. ये 10 number na. As 13 cards will be, look at A, 1, 2, dash, dash, till 10.
Sir, there's no one.
There's no one, sir.
Sorry,
It
no one,
starts
sorry. No one, sorry. There's no one. It starts, A means 1 only. So 2, 3, dash, dash, till 10. So this here 10 plus 3, 13. Similar here also, and like it follows with the same thing. All right.
So base cards are K, Q, and J, right? Okay.
Yeah, spade cards.
Sir, I think he said ace.
What he said?
Base cards, base.
Face
Like
IAS. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Tell
The
me.
like from the previous question, they asked for the face cards on red, right? So is the face cards K, Q, and J?
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, look at this here. The question, what is the question here? He's asking for red card, red face cards. Red face cards. Red face. Look at this. Red face cards. How many? Oh, no, 1 second. How many red face cards will be there?
3.
How many red?
Uh, 6. Red face cards 6.
Total. Look at this here. You just try to understand like this. Total में से red cards will be 26 out of 26. How many red will be there? Red face. What is red face? 3 ही होता है भाई. Or else look at from total package. There will be total package 6 red cards out of 52.
52.
ये भी करेक्ट होता है, ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं. आया? This is also
Yes.
correct. All right. So 6 red faced and 6 black faced. So ये फेस कार्ड का मतलब क्या होता है पता है?
No, sir, I don't know.
फेस कार्ड मतलब किंग, क्वीन, जॉक. Look at this. K, Q. These are the face cards. आया समझ? These are the face cards.
Okay.
देखो इधर ही समझ में आ रहा, 3 है आउट ऑफ 26. आंसर खत्म. आया समझ?
Yes, sir.
पर सूट, एक सूट में 3 होता है. ये एक सूट में 3 होता है. तो इधर 3 और इधर 3. देखो टोटल 6 में से like 6 out of 52. From K, Q, J, you'll be having three face cards: king, queen, and jack. I'm talking about red face cards. Red face cards are either suits, or like there are 2 suits. Look at this. In red face cards, there are 2 suits. What are they? This heart and this diamond. Okay, heart and diamond. So look at, there are 3 face cards. Look at this. 3 face cards in each suit. इसमें K, Q, J, K, Q, J. आया समझ? K, Q, J. Here also you can just write like this similarly. K, J. आया? Understand? So
Yeah.
these are like they red face cards. Red face cards. Red face cards का मतलब जो लाला वाला होता है ना. These are face cards. These are face cards. इसको बोलता है face cards. Okay. ये होता है mechanism. आया समझ? You understand here? Any doubts? Okay. So now if I ask about black face card, these are face cards only. आया समझ?
That will be same 3/26.
वो भी सेम ही होगा 3/26 ही होगा सेम. चलो any doubts here? Any doubts?
No, sir.
What is ace card? What is ace? Ace. What is ace card? Tell me.
So it is number 1, I guess.
Huh?
So I think it's number
Four
1.
aces. Number. How many? Four. We'll be having 4 ace cards. Total 4
Yes,
aces.
1/13.
Yes. Will be total 52 cards, right?
Yes, sir. 4/50. And then
So
1/13.
total 4 ace cards will be having 4 ace cards. So you'll be having 4. Look at this. You'll be having 4 ace cards, 4 kings, 4 queens. Okay. And how many? 4. 4 होता है. Huh? 4 ace cards, 4 kings, 4 queens, and etc. You can just go with that. All right. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Sir, 4 jacks also, sir.
हाँ 4 jacks. Jack भूल गया ना. Jack को भूल जा रहे हैं हम लोग. This is a 4 ace cards. 4 ace cards. How 4? Look at this. इस ये 13 कार्ड में एक ace होगा ना. इसमें भी एक ace. 2, 3, 4. आया समझ? That's how.
Yes, sir.
So in each and every pair, 1 ace will be there. That's how. Now in each and every pair, 1 king, 2, 3, 4. 2 queen, 2 queen, 3 like 4 queen, 4 jacks. So 4 jacks, 4 queens, 4 kings, 4 ace. इसमें से एक ace होगा ना. Here एक ace. Here also एक ace. Here also एक ace. Here also total 4 ace. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 queens. 1, 2, 3, 4 queens, 4 jacks. I hope it is clear with everyone. I hope you got a fundamental idea.
Yes, sir. I got it.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
Any doubts with everyone? What is face card now? Face card का मतलब in each look at this. In red we'll be having 6 face cards. In black we'll be having 6 face cards. Okay, so he's asking for what? He's asking for 6. I mean red face cards. So 6 out of 50. So 3/26 I'll get. Next question. I hope it is, guys. ये बहुत काम में आता है. This will be very helpful for you all. So playing cards total 52. Out of the 52, you'll be having 26 black, 26 red. So out of those 26 black, you'll be having clubs and spades. So 30 clubs, 13 spades, and 13 diamonds. In terms of red, 13 diamonds and 13 red. Hot, right? So clubs. ये 13 होता है ना? ये 13 में से A 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till 10. 10 plus king 11, queen 12, jack 13. So 13, right? So king, queen, jack will be called king. These are called as face cards. These are called as face cards. Okay. So in total 52 cards, 4 ace cards will be there, 4 kings, 4 queens, 4 jacks. As much from each line, from each leg. Look at this. इसमें कितना leg है हमारे पास? 1, 2, 3, 4. From each and every leg, 1 ace, from 1 queen, 1 queen, and 1 king, 1 jack. So total from 4 legs, 4 queens, 4 queens, 4 jacks, 4 ace cards will be there. So this is what you people should understand for solving this cards question. Dekho, now I'm sure, guys. Now you will be able to solve this question all.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm sure.
Yes, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Yes. Okay. Chalo, look at this now, and look at this question now. So this is what, when the die is thrown, probability of getting odd number is less than 3. Probability of getting odd number less than 3 is what? How do we need to
Sir,
solve
1 by 6. I did, sir.
1 by 6. Very good.
1 by
People are joining late. Why? इसको थोड़ा ऐसा ड्रा कर दो भाई. ये ऐसे तो होता है ना वो. सर नो.
Yes, sir.
So if anyone didn't understand the mechanism of this, please go to this playing cards mechanism. Okay, clear? This is a playing card mechanism. Are I समझ? So everyone try to understand this. So next fourth one, when a die is thrown, the probability of getting an odd number. When a die is thrown, probability of getting an odd number is what?
Sir, less than 3.
Probability of getting an odd number less than 3. Die is thrown means, look at this here, total 6 possibilities will be there. Odd number. Probability of getting less than 3. Less than 3 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 possibility. Less than 3 means from 1 and 2. 2 is an even number. 1 is only 1 by 6. So option A is correct. Simple. Yes or no? Any doubts here? Children, any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
no, sir.
Very simple is asking for odd number less than 3. Odd number less than 3 ka matlab only 1, which is 1 by 6. I hope it is clear with everyone. By the right answer. 1 second, that's my battery is dying. एक minute. Okay. Chalo. So 1 by 6 is the right answer. Next question. A card is drawn from a deck of 52 cards. The event is that card is not an ace of hearts. Card is not event. The event is that card is not. Yes, tell me.
Sir, in hearts, there is 1 ace. So if we take out that 1 ace, the favorable outcomes will be 52 minus that 1 ace. So it will become 51.
Yes, look at this here. So the card is drawn. The card is drawn from the deck of 52. So total out of 52, one card has been drawn. What is that card? The probability E. Event E. E means the event which I'm going to make it out over there. Event E is what here I'm the performance whichever I'm going to do that. What kind of performance we are doing here? I'm like drawing a card. What kind of card is that? Is not an ace. So the event E is that card is not an ace of hearts. Card is not an ace of hearts. Card is not an ace of hearts. Tell me what is the meaning of this? The event E is that card is not an ace of hearts. Look at this here. From the hearts, not ace. From the heart, not ace. From heart, like hearts will be like, how many? One ace will be there. One king will be there. One queen, one jack, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 10. Isn't it? So total 13 cards will be there. From this, not ace he is saying. Not ace. Right? The event is that card is not an ace of hearts. Not ace from hearts. From heart, you shouldn't draw the that particular one card. Total number of outcomes favorable is what? One card we are not drawing. One card, it's only one card we are not drawing. The remaining cards are 51. 51 by 52. Isn't it? Favorable outcomes 52, 51, isn't it? So option D is correct here. Yes or no? How many have you done this? Guys, how many?
Sir,
How
I
many have
did
you-
it.
Look, in a deck 52 card, there are 13 cards of heart and one is hit, one is ace of heart. So in the total number of favorable outcomes 52 minus 1. So we are not drawing one card. Out of 52 cards, we are not drawing one card, which is ace. From that heart, from the heart family, we are not them. We are from that heart family. We are not drawing one ace. So that ace is what? One ace. So out of 52, we are not drawing one. So 52 favorable outcomes are there. So the probability of getting bad. So 51 is the right answer. Next question. The probability of getting a bad egg in lot of 400 is 0.035. The number of bad eggs is in the lot is what? Probability of getting a bad egg in the lot of 400 is 0.035. The number of bad eggs in that lot is what? Probability itself he has given. Look at it here. Let me write here. How many have you done this question?
Sir, I got this one.
I need a response from everyone.
Sir, I got it.
Sir, I got it.
Very good. Girls, many of you didn't write. Why didn't you write, Deeksha? Why didn't you write the test?
Sir, I had people over at my house. I couldn't attempt it.
See, as I told in last, I told many times, I cannot, I do not want to hear excuses from anyone. I'm sorry. I do not want to hear any kind of an excuses. So no matter what, you have people, like you take 1 hour of time, but you will get 1 hour of time. So if you just go and lock your room and just write 1 hour of test, no one is going to disturb you, isn't it? 1 hour of test, everyone will allow you. I don't think so. People won't allow you. Until and unless you don't have interest, people will not. People will. Your family members never disturb you if you are going to write a test. That is what I believe strongly. I don't understand that. Until and unless you don't have interest, no one is going to disturb you. Clear? So you must have interest. I'm telling everyone. I do not want to hear any kind of experience. Already I told multiple times, Diksha, this is not the first time to you. I told you to just no matter what kind of reason you have, until and unless you are feeling sick, you must attempt the test. I do not want to hear my relatives came to my home, I went out, I was in traveling, my signals are not good. These are unacceptable excuses. I never accept for this standard. No way. Clear? Please make sure that you are writing all the tests in the future. Okay. Diksha.
Yes, sir.
Yes. What about others? Udbhav? Who didn't all write the test? Udbhav, did you write Udbhav?
Yes, sir, I wrote.
What about others? Tanvi?
Yes, sir, even I wrote.
Who didn't write the test? Please, can you please raise your hands? Can you please raise your hand? Who didn't write the test except Diksha? Yes. So you tell me, guys, which question you have doubts? Now we'll solve this question. After that, we'll come to that. The probability of getting a bad egg in a lot of 400. Total 400 eggs we have out of getting a bad egg is equal to how much? 0.035. What is the probability? Like basic definition. P of any event is equal to that probability of getting that particular egg divided by total number of total outcomes, the possible outcomes is equal to what? That is what the formula we have, right? So bad egg, probability of bad egg out of 400 eggs. So what is bad egg here? Solve this. Bad egg is equal to 0.035 into 400. So 35 by 1000 into 400. 0000 will be getting cancelled. So 2 5s, 2 2s, 5 1s, 5 7s. So 14 is the right answer. How many have you got this? How many have
I
you got
did
this,
it, sir.
guys? Very simple. So 7 2s 14 is the right answer. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question. Yes, 1 second. Ahil, do you have any doubts? If you have any doubts, we'll discuss that question. Instead of discussing each and every question, the question whichever you are facing problem, we'll discuss that question. Any doubts?
No doubt, sir.
Ahil, don't have. Amrita, do you have any doubts?
No, sir.
Yes, you did a great job. This time you got 100 percentage. So every time I need you to perform like same whatever you have done earlier and the last exam. Every time.
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Yes, sir.
Not only you, the people who got 100%. Everyone should get 100% each and every exam. Make sure that your graph is always like constant. I should not see that people look at this here. Let me show you once again. Look at this here. In the graph, for suppose, yeah, like in this exam you got somewhere like 100, 100%. Again, your graph will be like this only. If you are reaching this stage, again you have to move like this only. Again, you should not come down here. Okay, clear? You understand here?
Yes.
You are just here now. Your graph will be linear now. After this, your graph will be linear. You should not come down again. Okay, ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. फिर से उठना करना ऐसे नहीं करना. ठीक है? Always prepare well. Make sure that you guys are like maintaining the graph like consistently. Okay, this is what I want. I need this kind of graph. This bullet train. I need this kind of bullet train. So much. This graph, linear graph I need. So once you reach that, you must maintain that. Look at this exam, you got this much 100%. Look at this. This next exam, if you got down means no, I don't accept that. I never accept. This is not acceptable. This is acceptable. Clear? I hope it is clear with everyone. Chalo,
Yes.
next question. Next question. So a girl calculates the probability of her winning the first prize in a lottery is 0.08. If 6,000 tickets are sold, then how many tickets has she bought?
Sir, I got this.
Okay. Then if you got all the questions, then why did you get less marks, Anujit?
No, sir, not these questions, sir. One minute. I'll Sir.
Yes.
So the questions I got wrong were the probability of guessing the correct answer to a question, certain test questions is x by 12. That question I got wrong.
Okay,
And
no
then,
problem. Whatever you got, please go through that mistake. I'm telling you, you are saying like like you might be getting the questions. So like a few questions might be getting correct, but don't repeat the same thing again in the next exam. Again, next exam also you'll be having a test on probability only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Same topic you will be conducting for the next time. Probability will be like such an interesting chapter. Okay, like first देखो मैंने एक आपको एक फंडामेंटल बताता हूँ. Difference between the probability and other chapters. Basically what happens here is, for understanding the question, it takes 3 minutes. Let us say like 2 minutes. And for other chapters, understanding the question, look at this, let me write. Understanding the question and getting the answer. For understanding the question in this chapter, in probability, it will be 2 minutes, let us say. And other chapters, it will be like, some 30 seconds or some 20 seconds. And getting the answer is like 5 seconds. In other chapters, getting the answer is like 5 minutes. This is the major difference between the probability and other chapters. Okay, so probability is such a chapter. If you understand the question, you can get the answer quickly within 5 seconds. I'm telling you. If you are not understanding the question, it troubles you a lot. All right. So if you are understanding the question, it takes 2 minutes to understand the question. For answer, it takes only 5 seconds to write, to decide the answer. But in other chapters, understanding the questions, you can understand the questions quickly. Like it takes only 20 seconds for other chapters. But writing for solving the answer of other chapter questions, it takes 5 minutes. But that is not the case with probability. If you understand the question within 2 minutes, you can answer. You can get the answer within 5 seconds. I'm sure. For other chapter, it takes 20 seconds, but it is for getting answer, it takes much time. For probability, this is the biggest advantage. Clear? Question ko understand karo, answer power within seconds. Get the answer within seconds. Clear? Any doubts here? Are you people understanding here what I'm trying to say?
Yes, sir.
Good evening, Sira Yogesh. Why are you late, Yogesh? Yogesh, why are you late? That's what I'm asking you, man. Why are you late? You was out. Okay. Do you have any doubts from the question paper? Yes. Do you guys have any doubts from? I need a response from each and everyone. If you have any doubts, so you can just ask me individually. Yes, tell me, Yogesh, do you have any doubts? Very good. So very good, Yogesh. Tell me now, a girl calculates the probability of her winning first prize in a lottery is 0.08. Probability given. If 6,000 tickets are told, how many tickets has she bought? Look at this here. Bhai, try to understand this question. Let me just take this question here. A girl calculates probability of her winning first prize is probability given 0.08 probability. Total, look at it, if 6,000 tickets are sold. Total how many tickets? 6,000. These many sold. How many tickets has she bought? So that the probability is this much. So let us say I do not know. Let us say X. X tickets she has bought. X is equal to 6,000 into 8 by 100. 0000 gone. X is equal to what? So 86. 648 10. So 480 is the answer. Clear? Any doubts? Any doubts?
No
How
doubt.
I wrote, guys, writing this is the big thing here. Writing this is very important. See, total 6,000. Out of 6,000 tickets, how many she bought? So that the probability is this much. This is what your understanding should be. This is how your understanding should be. Clear? Yes. So one ticket is drawn at random from a bag containing tickets numbered from 1 to 40. The probability that selected the ticket has a number which is multiple of 5. Multiple of 5. How many multiples of 5 are there between 1 to 40? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So how much? 8. 8 by 40. 1 by 5 is the right answer. I hope it is very simple question. Next. Someone is asked to take a number from 1 to 100. The probability of that it is a prime. कितना prime number हो सकता है? How many prime numbers between 1 to 100? You have to write all the prime numbers between 1 to 100. And then just 25 numbers we get. So 25 out of 100. So 1 by 4 is the answer. Clear? Yes or no? It is
Sir.
like, bit lengthy question only. Writing prime numbers and counting prime numbers between 1 to 100 is, yeah, just calculative part, make it out. And guys, and how many of you solved the 10th one?
Sir, I solved it.
What about others?
Sir, even I solved it.
I got this wrong, but the next time I solved it, I got it.
Okay. What about others?
I got it.
Very good. What about others?
Sir, all of us got it.
Okay. Chalo. Next question. The card is drawn at random from the 52 pack of 52 cards. Find the probability that the card is drawn a black king. Black king. Good question. Look at this. 1 second. Just.
Looking so
Look at this
handsome.
here.
Thank you.
Sira Yogesh, unmute yourself. Sira Yogesh.
Manu.
See, the card is drawn from a 52 cards available there. Find the probability that the card is drawn. Find the probability that the card is drawn. First, black king. Total 26 black cards will be there. How many kings will be there? 4 kings, sir. So 3 kings. What I told you guys, mechanism. Let us have a look at the mechanism. So total black, how many kings will be there? How many kings?
2 kings.
2 kings. Out of 26, look at this. Out of 56, you'll be having 2 kings. So 1 by,
Sir, out of 52.
sorry, out of 52, my bad. Out of 52 means 2 ones are 2, 26, so 1 by 26. First answer is 1 by 26. So only one option available, so B option is correct. No need of going further. First option कितना आ रहा है? 1 by 26 आ रहा है, तो 1 by 26 मतलब that is the only available option B. So option A, B is not available. Look at this. Option A and C, look at this. Not at all possible. Why? Because first answer is 1 by 26. But in the option A, first option is 3 by 13. In the third option, option A is 11 by 13. So option A and C, wrong answer. B is going to be correct. Clear? Let us have a look at the second option. A jock, a queen, a king. Jock, king, queen. कितना होता है? 3 cards will be there. 3 will be there. Yes or no? Jack, king, no. Jack from each 52. From 52 pack, how many jack? Look at this. How many jacks will be there? 4 kings, 4 jacks, 4 queens. Right? Hello, yes or no? Jack
Yes.
is what? 4 by 52. 4 by 52. King 4 by 52. So add all this. So one, how much? 2 by, or else 1 by, cancel it. 4 ones are 4 13s, 4 ones are 4 13s, 4 ones are 4 13s. So look at this here. 1 by 13 plus 1 by 13 plus 1 by 13. So 3 by 13. Option B is 3 by 13 here. C is what? Neither yes nor king. Neither yes nor king. How many options will be there? Neither yes nor king. Neither yes nor king means, so we have to remove how many cards? Tell me guys, neither yes nor king. Very good question. Neither yes should not be ace, should not be king. So 4 ace will be there. 4 ace will be there, 4 kings will be there. Yes or no? So how much you get? Out of 52, neither neither ace nor king. Out of 52, how many? Come on. So 52 minus how much? 52 minus neither ace nor king. How many ace will be there?
8.
How many ace will be there? 4. How many king? 4. So minus 8. 52 minus 8 how much? 40?
44.
44. 44. Why? Because neither. So I'm just removing 4 ace, 4 kings. So neither these guys, rest of the people. 44 available. 44 available means what? 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 threes. So 11 by 13 I got. I hope it is clear with everyone. Yes or no? Yes or no? Chalo. This is what the question is all about. Next. The probability of an event that cannot happen 0. The probability of an event that cannot happen 0. That cannot happen 0. Impossible event. Like certain event not possible. Possible event or not possible. Elementary event is not possible. Impossible event. So very very good question. So the probability of an event that cannot happen is 0. Cannot happen 0 matlab. Cannot happen 0 matlab not even possible. Anything is not possible. Impossible event, isn't it? Hello, you understand? Probability of an event that cannot happen 0. Cannot happen 0. 1 second, people are texting me that. Next. Probability of an event is greater than or equal to what? Arey, why? Look at it. Just now I told. In last, previous question, I think. Probability of any event lies between where to where? 0 to 1, the first question. Look at this. Think about here. Look at this. Options. Probability of A denotes the probability of an event A. Then probability of A lies between 0 to 1 here. Option C is corrected like that. So what he is asking for here? Probability of. Very good question. Let me explain here. So probability of it lies between always 0 to 1. So probability of event is greater than or equal to what? 0 and less than or equal to what? 1. 0, 1. Option A is correct. How simple it is. Clear? Probability of any event always lies between 0 to 1 beta. Always lies between 0 to 1 only. कभी भी उससे ज़्यादा कम नहीं हो सकता है. So next, probability of an event is always less than or equal to just now I told simple
0.
question, less than or
1,
equal to
1.
1. Same question if you know the option is correct. Probability of occurrence, अरे ये क्या हो रहा है? Probability of occurrence of an event P of E. Then probability of non-occurrence of an event is 1 minus P of E. भाई देखो एक समझाना चाहता हूँ मैंने आपको. Very good question. ये तो 11th standard का भी you'll be using all this stuff in your 11th standard as well. So be careful. You'll be using all this in your 11th standard as well. Because probability of occurrence of an event P of A. The probability of non-occurrence. Look at this. एक event होता है. उसमें probability of occurrence of event is P of A. Probability of occurrence of event is ये. तो नॉन अकरेंस क्या होता है? 1 में से एक में से घटा देंगे इसको तो नॉन अकरेंस ही है ना. आपको ऐसे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है? देखो, आई एम आस्किंग यू दैट देयर आर 20 स्टूडेंट्स टोटल कितना है? 20 स्टूडेंट्स. देखो टोटल में गिव एग्जांपल टोटल 20 स्टूडेंट्स. उसमें से प्रेजेंट कितना है? प्रेजेंट लेट अस से सम 14. I'm asking नॉट प्रेजेंट मतलब क्या होता है? टोटल में से प्रेजेंट को घटा देंगे ना. नॉट प्रेजेंट मतलब ऑब्सेंट is nothing but 20 minus 14. I'll be writing 6, right? हाँ, ये टोटल क्या है? टोटल पैकेज. What is this? टोटल ये क्लास का स्टूडेंट है. किसका? ये वन क्लास स्टूडेंट. It's a one class. Alright. Similarly, look at this here. What is happening here? One probability. One event is happening. One event. Here, what was the event here? One class was the event. One class. From that event, there were 20 students, right? One event is happening, and not probability of non-occurrence of that event is what? From that event, from that one event. If I just remove this, that is what? Non-occurrence. So option B is correct here. Very good question, guys. आ रहा है समझ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, from that one event. एक event हो रहा है, उसमें से not होने का, I mean event ना होने का probability क्या है? 1 minus P आती है. आया समझ? So here 1, sir. Then why you are writing 20 here? We should have written 20 here also. No, भाई 20 से ये क्वेश्चन का कोई लेने का देने का नहीं है. So 20 is not given in the question. I'm talking about an event. An event मतलब one event here. An event का मतलब कितना event? One event. So from that one event, non-occurrence is what? From that one event, occurrence को घटा देंगे तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? Non-occurrence. From that event, if I just subtract occurrence event, so I'll be getting non-occurrence. I hope it is clear with everyone. Any doubts? Guys, if I subtract from
No,
the
sir.
total event, whatever occurrence, whatever happened, if I subtract, so I'll be getting non-occurrence. आया समझ? Very simple. Next. So if a digit is chosen at random from the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, the probability of that is odd. Odd का मतलब कितना है भाई? 3.
Sir, 1, 3, 5,
हाँ.
7, 9.
हाँ. तो कितना? 5 है ना?
5.
5 out of 9. Option
Five
B
out.
is correct. A very, very good question. Simple question. ये तो even multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 is what here? 3, 6, 9. So 3 by 9. So 3 by 9 मतलब 1 by 3. अरे simple लड्डू क्वेश्चन है. So in a single throw of die, probability of getting multiple of 3. Multiple of 3 क्या होता है भाई? Multiple of 3 मतलब 3 and 6. So 2. So 2 by 6. 2 by 6 means 1 by 6. So 2 by 6 means 1 by 3. Sorry. Isn't it? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Multiple of 3 क्या होता है? 3 होता है, 6 होता है. कितना है? 3 and 6 2 है. 2 out of 6. 2 ones are 2 3s are. So 1 by 3 is the answer. I hope it is clear. Guys, आ रहा है समझ में? आपको आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Sira, that is P of A means probability of that event not being A. I'm not saying not being A. Probability of that event not being A. I'm not saying that not being A. I'm just saying that probability of that event not be. I'm not saying not being A here. You are right, Sira. I'm saying not. I'm saying not probability of A. I'm not saying that not being A here. I'm saying probability of A only. I'm not saying not being A here. देखो ये समझने में थोड़ा दिक्कत हो सकती है. सीधा. Correct. You are right only. So the probability of guessing the correct answer